How to fix Samsung A16 Snapchat lag. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time like that. And then restart your device. After restarting your device, then free up some storage, then open settings and scroll down and click on device care and then click on storage, and here you can free up some storage. After free up some storage, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back and open device care again, and here you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update your latest software, then update it to latest software. After updating the latest software, then delete the Snapchat app and reinstall your Snapchat. After installing your Snapchat, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.